I'm go ahead and seal the edges of the crystal first, and then I'm go ahead and using at the end of precision glue gel, which is on the precision brush. To seal completely the frame and the metal. Open on the other end. And then we are going to seal completely on the metal frame, which is the bunny ear, to prevent from getting tarnished around the pearl frame. To make sure that you just need a little, go a long way. And seal on the frame. You see that I didn't using it and seals on the top of the crystals at all. You are avoiding on the top of the crystal because you don't want to destroy all the sparkle and the shine and the cut. So now I am go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.